This is the all-new GoPro Mission 1 with the 1-inch sensor. Today we're going to unbox it, see what it's like. Now I'm very excited because I have the Ace Pro 2, the Action 6, and this seems to be relatively better, potentially, from all the test footage. GoPro did not send this to me, but if you do want to send these to me in the future, I would appreciate that. 8K 60, 8K 30, 32X, burst slow-mo, HLG HDR, 1-inch low-light sensor, that's huge. Subject tracking, 10-bit color log, 5-hour battery life, GPS. I should film a lot of my running content with action cameras, and my current favorite for running content as well as car content is the DJI Action 6. Very small, it just fits easier in my pocket. Even the subtle increase in size in the Ace Pro 2 is a bit too much, as well as that flippy screen. Not ideal for me, and then I kind of like the colors on the Action 6 more. We got manual stickers, all this extra stuff. I feel like GoPro just puts too much paperwork in their stuff. Oh, here it is, wrapped. We got these stickers to take off. Oh yeah. The front sticker, wow, this lens protrudes. That is massive. So if we put it next to the Action 6, like look how much more that lens protrudes. Now, one of my favorite things to do with the action camera is to slide it into my pocket, pull it out, record a clip, put it back in. I love the square inch sensor on the Action 6 because I can record YouTube content and hold it vertically and just film like so. Let's see how the GoPro stacks up and if it's worth actually switching over to this guy. Do not open, mic drain, not door. Mission Pro, the camera must be updated before use. Oh yeah, the dreaded fun. We got a USB-C cable from GoPro, battery, their new GoPro batteries, the Enduro 2. Oh, I didn't realize that this was actually kind of flexible. This is the lens hood that just goes on like so. Interesting. It fits on pretty easily, but sliding this in and out of my pocket for running is not going to be ideal. But we'll test it out. The mode button also protrudes from the outside of the device. We've got the quick action mounting clips here as well, plus a 1/4 inch mount here too. Battery goes in the side over here. Micro SD card. Yeah, I wish they had, I don't think this has internal storage. USB-C for charging. This is what it looks like. Let's boot it up. This button is so big. Next to the Ace Pro 2. Like look how much larger that lens protrudes off to the side. We got the battery hoods very similar. The record button's pretty similar, and then the mode button, power button on the side as well. The micro SD on this guy is in the same spot as the battery. Agree. GPS on, voice control off, USB-C, SD card all in the same spot. See, on the Ace Pro 2, you have the battery on one side and the SD card on the other. Since we're not using this guy, we're gonna plop in an Insta360 SD card. And this is the GoPro Max 2, which is their 360 camera. It's relatively small in terms of size-wise. Like, look how much this protrudes. The lens is crazy. We want to take this SD card. That's good. Good news. The screen size is also bigger on the back. So you can see how much bigger. It's slightly bigger, but not that much bigger. GoPro Mission 1. I'm excited to test this out. I'll charge it, set it up. We'll do some test footage. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see testing with this camera. Excited to see how well it works. Subscribe to notifications. There's a link for this device down below. Click that link. It helps support the channel. Peace.